A white van rides on two wheels. Today's traffic report. At a busy intersection, an old guy pulls off some serious moves. He flips across the road, then stumbles up, checks the distance, and just walks off. No words. A dude's minding his business in a store. Suddenly, a van crashes through the wall. One sale is $100K. On the highway, a white SUV cuts off the dashcam driver. Smart move? Now the guy's fixing two cars. A three-wheeler rolls straight, then a truck zooms in, slams it. Oof. Crash up ahead. A blue SUV stops, then a white car flies into frame. What the heck? A dog blocks the road. Owner yanks the leash, no luck. In a panic, they lift the dog's legs and toss it out of the way. Truck cuts lanes out of nowhere, scaring the driver silly. Whew, close one. An auntie treats the road like her living room. She zooms through, but a truck stops just in time. She even falls over later. Classic. A Tesla runs a red light, almost nails a cyclist, swerves, splashes into a river. Yikes. Dashcam driver cruises through traffic. No slowing, even with e-bikes weaving. Total blame on them. On a mountain road, a truck swerves, smashes a van. Truck driver's probably sweating now. At a bus stop, an auntie dances, thanking the bus for stopping. Gotta love the purple pants. An SUV tries to turn right, cuts off traffic. A taxi teaches them a lesson. No mercy. Old car's wheels bent, but it's still chugging. Legit old school move. In a tunnel, a pink car yaps loud, gets cut off by a white SUV. Road rage? A motorcycle rider hits a car, then the driver jumps out, flips out. Not cool. Three cars at a crossroads, no brakes, just honking. Who's at fault? A tricycle meets a container. Close call, sweating bullets. Dashcam parks. Kid runs out. Mom barely notices. Speed slow, but still. On the highway, a car reverses. No warning. Total chaos. E-bike rider tries to squeeze past a car. Gets stuck. Nailed it. Trucks on a bridge. Dashcam swerves to avoid one. Almost total wipeout. Guy with a balloon cart runs into traffic. Dashcam stops, reverses. He's just running. SUV tries to change lanes, gets clipped. Roads cleared in seconds. Dashcam turns right, hits a girl. Driver rushes to help, then hits her again. What the heck? Auntie on e-bike stops, then backtracks, embarrassed. Police car ahead, driver tries to speed past. Cops not having it. E-bike rider hugs a truck, wipes out, too hard. Truck's box falls. Driver reverses to fix it. Smooth move. Dashcam climbs a hill. Truck coming fast. Screams, truck swerves. Truck avoids a reverse running rider. Dodges disaster. Thank you, driver. E-bike rider ignores chaos, keeps going. Stay safe out there. Keep your eyes open, folks. Roads wild out here.